We knew this time was coming. Support is ending, and your laptop isn't getting any younger. Now you could splash out several £100s on your new gleaming Windows 11 laptop. That's always an option. You can even try upgrading your Windows 10 to Windows 11, but it's probably not up to the job. But don't waste your money on a new one just yet. Instead, install Linux Mint. It's free, fast, and has an interface that is similar to Windows. There is an app store that can download thousands of popular apps, also found on Windows. Plus, it runs smoothly on older hardware. Visit linuxmint.com and you will have access to a modern system that makes your old laptop feel brand new, without spending a penny. Skip the constant laptop upgrades or financial trap. Switch to Linux Mint and keep your laptop alive for years to come. Don't put your Windows 10 laptop in landfill. Switch to Linux for sure. Whether you are young, old, a novice, or a professional, this is for you. Thanks for watching, and join us for more technical videos and playlists at the G-Man channel. Bye for now.